set up more easily by guiding you through the steps. Let's look at the terms and conditions. Once you read and agree to these, we can really get going. Wi-Fi would be quite handy here. Choose a network.
So the S20 Ultra has the fingerprint sensor on the front, and it works, but I'm not too much of a fan of this. You do have to apply a little bit of pressure, and I prefer the sensor on the back because that seemed to work a lot faster. But as to the S20, this is right now going at 60 hertz, and I really don't see any issues with using this at 60 hertz. To me, it feels the same as if I was using it at 120 hertz. Let's see. Okay. Right now I can't change it because I have this in highest quality resolution setting. Let's see. So let me apply that and go back to smoothness. Try 120. Apply. Again. To me, it feels the same. Game wise, I really can't tell you how. I haven't actually tried the game playing, but I don't really see an issue with it. Most gamers will tell you that they do love the 120, but I don't play enough, I guess, to notice a difference. What I do like is the camera features, the single take, and options that you have. Hyperlapse Pro Video. You can set up your settings. 9:16:11 full. But this is in portrait mode right now, so that's why it's showing 9:16. However, if I go back and let's go into video, you can record at 8K, which would record at the 24 frames per second in the 8K, but it's a really big crop feature, so I'm not too much of a fan on this right now, because the 24 frames feels a little jerky at times, and I think they can improve that if they were to at least offer 27 frames per second, so that if there is some frame drops, it'll at least be at 24 frames instead of dropping some frames. Overall, so far, I am liking the phone, but the main feature that I brought was for the camera features, and the photo mode, the 108 megapixels. Um, Not really a fan. Even with the larger sensor, it's great it's great in the bright lights, but again, this is a phone, so you're not gonna have as good a noise quality. You're gonna have noise basically in darker settings, so it's better to use a phone camera if you're gonna take low light pictures. But quality wise, so far has impressed me. But comparing some videos, I do feel like the LG 60 actually did better with pictures and video. And I think once Samsung updates their software on the system, it'll be really comparable. Now, what I wish with the update is that they would actually change the video mode and allow for 6K, at least maybe 60 frames or even at 30 frames. That would be a nice option, and I think they should be able to do that since they can do 8K at 24. 6K, 30 frames, probably something doable. Thanks for watching.